Hey guys, Kyle with HOGWORKZ here. Today we're going to be cleaning up the front end of your bike with these ultra bright LED billet turn signals. These LEDs feature a bright white DRL strip and amber directionals. Made of quality components and covered under our lifetime warranty, this is a surefire way to get that one-of-a-kind look. These signals fit 97 to current Street Glide, Electra Glide, Road King, and Trike models. Let's install these bad boys on this 14 Street Glide.
Remove the OEM turn signal bracket, disconnect from the factory harness, then remove the double-sided studs. Connect the HOGWORKZ billet fork mount turn signal to the factory harness. Secure with a supplied screw and washer. Repeat for the opposite side. For 2013 and older models, use the supplied multi-lock connector. And additionally, you may need to install the WORKZ load balancer kit to prevent turn signal hyperflash.